This video is brought to you by my game, Dudeling's Arcade Sports Ball. Control the ball, score points, and achieve victory in a mashup of Pong and Foosball. Available now on Steam and itch.io. So I've got these new replacement Hall Effect thumbsticks from Gulikit. These were sent to me for review, so let's go ahead and install them. Right off the bat, you want to grab your carrying case. You're going to open it up and lay it flat. I found that placing your deck face down in the top of the case is going to protect everything pretty well, especially your screen. You don't want to scratch that thing up. Don't forget to remove your SD card before you start taking your Steam Deck apart. Taking your Steam Deck apart without removing the SD card will destroy your SD card. The next step is to open up your deck, and this can be a bit fiddly. Just take your time, remove all 8 screws from the back, and you're going to need a T8 Torx bit to do this. Once you have them removed, you'll want to use a pry tool, preferably a plastic spudger, to unfasten the clips holding the two halves of the shell together. You'll want a quality pry tool of some kind. Now, I'm using an iFixit kit like this, and these picks will definitely come in handy too. I swear by this kit, as it's helped me out of a jam in multiple projects. Opening up something like the Steam Deck, or my smartphone, or even my electric lawnmower, which I did the other day with my brother. I absolutely love this kit, and there's affiliate links in the pinned comment below so you can pick one up for yourself to tackle any project like this. Now, to open your deck, I recommend starting with the pry tool from the corner near one of the bumpers, and then just working your way around the perimeter. Don't force it. This can and should be done gently, and with a little patience. Don't be afraid to pick up your deck to get better action on the case. Once you start detaching the clips, use a pick to prevent them from snapping back together. Take your time, and you'll be done before you know it. Okay, now the back is off, so let's locate the two joystick modules. They have an R and an L printed on them. Remove the 3 screws from the first module, and then, using another pry tool, gently lift the retaining clip from the zip socket. Now, remove the ribbon cable. You can pull on this little tab here, or you can use tweezers for a little more precision. Now, you'll need to rotate the thumbstick module so it can be removed. Do not force this. Just find the correct angle and it should come free on its own. Alright, let's grab the matching replacement module. You'll again need to negotiate this into place by rotating it. There are these little plastic posts that also need to slot into the holes on the PCB to ensure proper alignment. And make sure that the ribbon cable is not underneath the module before you replace the fasteners. As you place each screw, turn them counterclockwise until you feel or hear a little click. Once you feel this click, the threads will be properly aligned, so go ahead and tighten them down. Don't be afraid to tighten the screws down firmly. Now lift the retainer on the ZIF socket and insert the ribbon cable. I've found that tweezers help with this. Now you're going to repeat this same process with the other module. Flip the device over and try each of the thumbsticks. If you notice a little bit of friction, press each stick in to activate R3 or L3. There's a good chance that the caps have come a little loose during shipping, and this should fit them back into place. Now, the official instructions for this kit says to leave the back off, turn the device on, and go to Settings, Controllers, Calibration. Then activate the Calibration visualization tool by pressing Y, and double check that the sticks are centered. If they're not centered, then you're supposed to hold the stick opposed slightly from the direction it's misaligned at, and then, with your third hand, press the tiniest little button you've ever seen on the module's PCB. I find that no matter what I have tried, I could not get a satisfactory result this way. So I left the sticks in a neutral position and pressed the button to reset things to factory, basically undoing all of the wonky calibration I had set. Then I closed up the deck and went into desktop mode. Using a Bluetooth keyboard, I opened up the console app and then typed thumbstick_cal and hit enter. Now, hold the start button for 3 seconds until you see the gamepad notification. Leave the sticks neutral and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now go ahead and rotate each stick fully twice, then hit enter. Now your thumbsticks are properly calibrated. So I've played a few games with these new thumbsticks. The build quality is indistinguishable from the official thumbsticks, at least as far as I can tell. And much like the last time I did this, the only appreciable difference that I've noticed is that I can lower the dead zones for both sticks to get a slightly more responsive feel in game. In short, you don't strictly need this upgrade, but if your OLED deck has a damaged stick or you're experiencing stick drift, or if you've got the cash and need the best of the best, then this is a solid, not to mention easy upgrade. You'll find an affiliate link in the pinned comment below. So that's it. If you liked this video, make sure that you check out the last upgrade I did, or you can watch this video at the best controllers to use with your Steam Deck. That's gonna do it for now. Thanks for watching.